Hello Creative, Charmaine here from the Rainforest Writing Retreat. I'm just popping in to share some big news with you. 2020 saw our Rainforest Writing Retreat book out faster than it ever had before. It was crazy. It was like bookings opened and 3 weeks later we were fully booked, couldn't take any more guests, and we had a huge waiting list of people who wanted to come to the retreat. Unfortunately, due to the current situation, we're unable to gather together at O'Reilly's to meet for our retreat. But don't worry, I said I have big news I'm about to tell you. We've decided this year to put on for our retreaters a free stay-at-home writing retreat. That's right, we're going to do the whole thing for free, and it's going to be set on the same 3 days as the original writing retreat. That's May 29th to May 31st. And we're still going to have 5 masterclasses with industry professionals to teach you all about how to write your work, how to market your work, how to edit your work, all those things you really need to know. Now you might be wondering, who is a retreater? It's anyone who has ever attended one of our retreats. So if you came to a retreat 7 years ago, or if you came to every retreat or just one retreat, you are a retreater. You might be thinking, I haven't been to a retreat yet, and now you're feeling like you're going to miss out. You don't have to. If you are booked in for our 2021 retreat, that's next year, it'll be held the first weekend of June, then you can also come along to our free stay-at-home retreat. So I will actually send you an invitation to our private Facebook group where you can join in, and we'll have our workshop streamed live there, and there'll be lots of activities for you. You'll get a lot out of it, and you won't be disappointed attending the retreat in 2021 because it is amazing. It's a yearly event that everyone looks forward to, and we do other things for our retreaters. Like we put on every year, we publish an anthology, which, like these beautiful ones, which only our retreaters can submit to. And there's so many benefits of being a retreater, I couldn't even list them all here. But the big one this year is the 2020 Stay at Home Retreat. Hope to see you there.